Imagine a giant machine breathing in the air around you, not to cool it or clean dust, but to literally suck carbon dioxide out of it. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it is real and could help save our planet. Welcome to the world of carbon capture machines, the technology designed to clean Earth's atmosphere one breath at a time. Today, we will explore how these machines work and why they matter. But first, ask yourself this: what if we could reverse climate change using engineering alone? Keep watching because you are about to see the science that makes this possible. Our planet's biggest problem today is too much carbon dioxide. This gas traps heat and causes global temperatures to rise. It comes from cars, factories, and power plants all over the world. Even if we stop emission today, there is already too much in the air. That is where carbon capture machines step in. Their goal is to remove CO₂ directly from the atmosphere, turning the air itself into a source of climate repair. Think of it as a vacuum cleaner for the planet. But cleaning the air is not as easy as it sounds, because CO₂ makes up only 0.04% of the atmosphere. So how do these machines find and trap that tiny amount of CO₂? It starts with giant fans that pull huge volumes of air inside the system. The air passes through special filters coated with chemical materials. These materials attract and hold CO₂ molecules tightly. Once the filters are full, they are heated or chemically processed. That heat releases pure CO₂ gas that has been captured. The clean air is released back into the atmosphere. The captured CO₂ can then be stored or reused. This entire process is called direct air capture or DAC. It is one of the most promising climate technologies ever built. The filters use compounds like hydroxides or amine-based resins. These compounds chemically bond with CO₂ in the air. When heated, they release it as a concentrated gas ready for storage. That gas can be pumped underground into deep rock formations. There it reacts with minerals like basalt and turns into solid stone, locking carbon away permanently. Other systems reuse the CO₂ to make fuel or building materials, turning pollution into useful products. That is circular carbon technology in action. It transforms waste gas into something valuable. Companies like Climeworks in Iceland and Carbon Engineering in Canada are pioneers. Climeworks plants use renewable energy to power the capture process. Their machines turn CO₂ into stone deep beneath the earth. Carbon engineering captures CO₂ and turns it into synthetic fuel, a fuel that reuses the same carbon again and again. Imagine cars and planes powered by air itself. That is the future these machines are building. The challenge is cost and energy use, but both are improving fast. Governments and industries are now investing billions to scale it up. Because if we can pull carbon out of the sky, we can truly begin to heal the planet.